Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a prime rib roast. Prime rib is the pinnacle of beef for me. It is rich, it is juicy, it is flavorful, it is tender. There is no better cut of beef, to me, than the prime rib. Let's take a look at what we need to make it. To make a prime rib roast, you first obviously need a prime rib roast. This one is about 1 kilogram or 2 pounds. You need salt, pepper, garlic, rosemary, and basil. Unlike a steak, where you simply season 2 sides, front and back, and you're good to go, you want every side of your roast to be seasoned. So, we're going to put the seasoning together as a rub first. To a bowl, add salt, pepper, garlic, rosemary, and basil. Mix it all together. And apply to every surface of your roast. If there is any surface that you can do with less seasoning, it's the bone side. Any leftover seasoning in the plate, you can use the meat itself to mop it up if you so desire. Add the roast to your roasting dish. If you don't have a roasting dish that has a rack like this, make sure the bone side is down and the roast is standing up. If you have a rack like this, it's less important, but still a good idea. Put the roast in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes plus 15 minutes per 500 grams or per pound. Since this roast is about 1 kilogram, that's about 1,000 grams or 2 pounds, we're going to roast it for about 1 hour at 350 degrees. I'll see you when it's done. All right, the prime rib has been in the oven for about an hour. Let's take it out. Looks like it's fallen over a little bit, but that's okay because I'm using a roasting dish with a rack. Go ahead and remove the roast from the rack. And let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, I'd say. If you carve the roast right away, all the juices are going to escape from the meat and spill out onto the cutting board. Letting it rest allows the meat to reabsorb the juice. Once the roast has rested for 5 to 10 minutes, cut the bone off the roast. For that, let the knife guide you. It will feel the bone through the meat. And set the bone aside. Stand the roast up and carve your pieces of prime rib. And serve. Contrary to what many people believe, the juice you see coming out of the roast when you carve it is not blood and is perfectly normal. Today I'm serving my prime rib roast with cornmeal and wilted spinach. And there you have it, the pinnacle of beef in my opinion, the prime rib roast. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.